4600 also has a section on metrics. These are safety performance indicators, SPIs. They're sort of like KPIs, key performance indicators, but specific to safety. And what they do is they provide metrics on the validity of the safety case over the system lifecycle. As an example, if you have a pedestrian who's about to step on a road, you have to have some sort of safety metric that says how close you're allowed to pass to a pedestrian, and it's going to be context dependent, probably based on the area, the local customs, the speed of the vehicle, and so on. But at some point, there's such a thing as too close, and if you're too close, it's unsafe. So the SPI would say, for example, how often do you encroach upon a pedestrian closer than you really should for safety? SPIs differ from KPIs because KPIs are typically about average performance and whether your system is working well, whereas SPIs are about whether or not you're crossing a line that makes the system unsafe. Another type of SPI is based on assumption validity. For example, you may have a system that tolerates gaps of up to so many meters in lane markings. Now you may say in your ODD, in fact, that's true of all the lane markings. But when the day comes that a lane marking is obscured and that's not true, you need to know that that's been violated. So the SPI metric in this case is how often do your assertions about what the world looks like actually prove out to be incorrect. Hopefully not too often, but that's why you keep a SPI to check on that. Or, for example, you might assume that there's a certain very low false negative correlated rate between camera and LiDAR returns. Well, that's an assumption, and you won't really know if it's true unless you measure it over operational life and find out how it really turns out. So you want to SPI for that.